So I've been waiting 3 years to ride this bike. This is the Husqvarna 701 Vitpilen. This motorcycle taps into the purity of riding, things that you would have found from yesteryear. Motorcycles that had this exuberant character is just embodied in this machine. I cannot begin to tell you how excited it makes me. It takes me back to when I first learned how to ride a bike, but it taps into the serious rider in me. And I think that if you get into motorcycling, if you buy into the 401 or you get any kind of 300cc bike, this would be your next intermediate jump. That this bike not only rides amazing, but looks spectacular. When I asked Husqvarna what they were trying to do with this bike, they said that it was an art project. Who does that? What motorcycle company does that? None. No one has ever tried to be like, you know what, we're just gonna do it as an art project. Riding this motorcycle, you are kind of connected back to the yesteryear of motorcycling, when motorcycles were pure, visceral, engaging. But it's mixed with all the things that a modern bike would be expected to have. ABS, traction control, electronic fuel injection. Features a 4-piston single brake disc in the front and a single brake disc in the back. I'm not even gonna get into all that shit. Some purists may be like, oh, well, you know, it's a little rough and it's a little bumpy. Well, that's a single for you. That's a single cylinder. If you want something a little smoother, you're gonna go with a twin or you're gonna go with an inline 4, but they don't have this kind of character. It's as if they somehow figured out how to take the 1960s and the movie Tron and harmoniously marry them together. I could talk all day about this bike, but I only have about another hour to ride it, so I'm gonna get on that and I will see you all later.